For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever stepped into a shower and got hit with cold water because someone turned on the sink? I've been there, and it's the worst. That's why I switched to this propane tankless water heater. 7.4 GPM, indoor use, instant hot water whenever I need it. With 170,000 BTU power, this heater can run 2 showers and a kitchen sink at the same time without losing heat. I tested it myself during a busy morning, and everyone got hot water instantly. No waiting, no surprises. Why it's great? Instant hot water. No more waiting for water to heat up. Energy efficient. Heats water only when you use it, saving on propane bills. High flow rate, up to 7.4 GPM, perfect for multiple bathrooms. Durable and safe. Stainless steel body, oxygen-free copper tank, flame failure, and anti-freezing protection. Smart temperature control. Set water temperature from 86 degrees F to 167 degrees F with the LED display. It's ideal for homes, cabins, and apartments, anywhere you need reliable, on-demand hot water. Personally, installing it saved me space and gave my family peace of mind. Stop wasting energy with traditional tanks. Upgrade to a propane tankless water heater and enjoy endless, instant hot water for your home.